Ja, Jaalaranta 6, let's say.
Asuntossa yhtiö Helsingin Jaalalaituri.
Outside name is Visualizer. It's here in Ruoholahti, Finland. Helsinki was awesome in Finland. I thought this research video was badly immersed by Genix, but it was the original with Semag today here.
Yeah.
With the beautiful round window. We will also go to staircase B. Hopefully we can also get to staircase C. So, but I don't know if there are more staircases in this building, but
yeah,
we'll see it soon. The best is 4 persons or 325 grams. I love these blue doors.
Yeah.
These are 2 rights.
Yeah.
We already have the code for staircase B, so we can go there soon.
Yeah.
Same floors here. This interior. So
same.
95. But too scratched though. This
Yeah.
number is 53962. Too bad it was scratched.
Yeah.
It turned 25 is sold in 2020. It's going to be inspected next year, 2023. It's just 2 rights.
Spectate-device that maintained by Esplonis.
Look at the vibrations and the sounds in here. And the smell is great also.
Yeah.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Love this wall also. It's beautiful.
Yeah. That's